Kublai pi baro syakatup khubor jengi hidan Bosco Media Network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentaka singi kilong. 4 rai ban penbiang jaga thamai. Kerpat ke Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya ban penkiu klo ya katulop nong hikai. Daki tiar trimestri yo kilai spatam na UMLA ke second July constituency. Ban play ke district level inter-school athletic meet arhajar arpuar. Bak mentangin page ki Khubor ki bakam benia. Usembut Menteri Rangba ubak Prestun Tensong mentakasngi ula ong baka sorkar hakapor ke babiang kan sa syeme karai ke bayadei halor kapang tem motor hayau maulong. Ubak Prestun ula keren yakani kakam namar ki don ki kunhun ki baya persya ya ka jingdawa jangka Harijan Panchayat Committee HPC baka sorkar jela kan penbiang jaka daka weipat lada ka sorkar ka temu ban penkenria no eki dekhot jangka na tem yau maulong.
I think they are also concerned, equally concerned about this. So therefore, on that basis, as I said to you, as a government, we wanted to have a reasonable solution to this. Reasonable solution is what? Means we will walk out. That's what I keep telling you again. We have already exhausted urban affairs plan, walk out all the details. Then come back, then we will invite one more time for discussion and talk with the HPC. This discussion is still on, and then from their side they submitted few issues in the form of resolution that they want this. That is okay. I mean anybody can do that, but ultimately from the government side we will say, we will again call, and then we will again sit down with them once the detailed blueprint is prepared by the Urban Affairs Department, which I've already instructed Urban Affairs Department to go little faster on this issue, then come back and then we will call them for discussion.
Ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya hene ka singi ka khatwai tarik ujamang kala syem ya karai ban penjur shu ka jingdawa na ka benta ban penke ya ka tulop jengki dekhot kani ka seng. Usamla me bon lengdo unong ai kten kani ka seng ula kenno baka sorkar kala le bam patiau baro shkarta halor kani ka jingdawa jongki. Usamla me bon ha ka jingkran bakila pathai Khubor menta ka singi ula ong ba ha kani ka kenti ka fastam kan penjur ya ka jingdawa na ka sorkar jela ban rai kloy ban penke ya ka tulop jongki nong hikai ki badon ha kani ka kunhon.
We cannot wait any longer, so tomorrow we have decided that at 12:30 p.m. we are going to launch another rally, and this rally we will stay there outside of the secretariat if the government allow us, and we will stay there, we will sleep there, we will eat there until the government is compelled to respond to us. We have asked for a dialogue with the Chief Minister. If the Chief Minister is not clear about all these things, why do we want to have a meeting with the Chief Minister so bad? The reason is because we want to make these things clear to him, that this is the amount of money that you have in the treasury. This is the amount of money that you have in the finance department. And why is this amount not coming to us? So we are just teachers. We have all of these statistics. Now you can ask me, from where did I get these statistics? Interesting fact that I would like to point here is, let's go to the political point of view, since everyone is so interested in politics. Why is the NPP government or the MDA government so adamant? I will respond here now. The MDA government is so adamant is because the NPP is looking for an absolute majority in the 2023 elections.
Hene kasngi kilai spat tamngut ki pat ba ka second July constituency kilayo jingerap da kitiar trimestri na UMLA wailat miki Shillong lengba ka special rural works program ni ki SRWP scheme arhajar khat khandai hadu arhajar arpho. Yakini kitiar la sampat ba ha ka jingelang bala penlong ha hol ha mukla nongrim bala donlang UMLA wailat miki Shillong UMDC ka JHEDC u otome wat lamen bar ki pat ba nong yo mentoy. Habakran hakani kasngi wailat miki Shillong ulaong bakum unong mi khmat kathan uyo i bak Kakam kajam de kaba bha hakini kisngi kumta nagabanta kiba nang bastad ula persang wanra dakalat ai jinghikai ban sengkam sengjam yaki weipat dan kiba ula yarap hakirukom bapher nalor ba un sapet yaki weipat kibam pat yo jingarap kuntup kinong rap bat kiwe. Hini ka sngi ka khatway tarik ujemang hajar arpuar la play ka district level inter school athletic meet hakyang nangba stadium dong mi sngi jawai dau additional deputy commissioner West Jante Hills Shri PK Boro ubawan kumu kongsan hakani ka sngi harangkat ka jinga dan lang ka district school education officer ka kong peace aim district sports officer uba ke pasa kidekot ka West Jante district sport association kinong hikai bat ki khna school na ki school bapher habakaran hakani ka sngi UPK Boro ula aiman siya miki khana bayan shimbanta haka jingle kai sports bapher makinle eka babhae.
I will get my speech, but I would like to appeal all the teachers to make your students very, very dedicated and disciplined, which is what I conclude my speech. Thank you.
Badaki tuki khubor ngila poisha ka bakut tar hadu bangin de syambyang khublei shibon.